Good morning, students. Our today's topic is division of rational numbers. In our previous video, we have discussed how to multiply two rational number. Now, our today topic that how to divide two rational number. So, students, to divide the two rational number, first of all, we have to knowledge about multiplicative inverse. Okay. So here, students, multiplicative inverse means reciprocal. Reciprocal. That means maybe you confused. Then what is the reciprocal? For example, we have a rational number 2 by 3. So what is the reciprocal of this 2 by 3? That is 3 by 2. So this is called the reciprocal of number. So the product of number that is 2 by 3 and its reciprocal, that means 3 by 2. So students, always the product of number and its reciprocal always give the answer 1. So I can repeat it again. The product of a number and its multiplicative inverse is always 1. How is it 1? Check now. 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2. 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3. So here we get the answer 1. So keep remember this one. The product of number and its multiplicative inverse is always 1. So on the behalf of this concept only, we are going to start to divide our rational number. How to divide the two rational number? So let's start with our exercise, that is exercise number 4.5. okay, now exercise 4.5, question number first. We have to divide minus 4 by 7 by minus 22 by 35. Observe this one, friends. They have given two negative rational numbers. So to solve this one, first we write this one along with the divide sign. How to write? Minus 4 by 7 divide minus 22 by 35. Okay, friends. Now, then after we have to change this divide sign into multiply. Okay. How to multiply? When we change this divide sign into multiply, so whatever the fractions, whatever the rational number given after the divide sign, we will do its reciprocal. That means we take its multiplicative inverse. So here it will be minus 4 by 7. If we change the sign multiply, then it will be now 35 by minus 22. So minus cancel by minus. Okay. Now is it possible to cancel out? Then it cancel out, and then after same procedure, it's now become like a product of two rational number. So we follow the same procedure to solve this one. So here 7 1 ja 7, 7 5 ja 35, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2. And if we solve this one, 2 5 ja 10 and 11 1 ja 11. So from here we get the students answer 10 by 11. Here we get the division of two rational number. So understood this one, friends? How we did this one? First, minus 4 by 7, write with the divide sign to the next number. Then after we remove this divide sign, when we remove this divide sign convert into multiply. And it's convert into multiply, then we take the reciprocal of this number also. So it will be 35 by minus 22. And if we solve this one, 4 and 22 both are the multiple of 2. So 2 2 ja 4 and 2 11 ja. Same here, 7 1 ja 7 and 7 5 ja 35. So afterwards it's not possible to cancel, then we multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So students, here we get the answer 10 by 11. So this is the first part, and now I'm going to take some more parts from this chapter only, this exercise only. That now let's solve its second part, because second part they have given a rational number divide by another rational number that is only given in the form of integer. Okay. So first of all we write 9 by 15 divide by minus 3. Then whenever denominator is not given, students, we assume there 1. So here minus 3 is given alone, so we assume its denominator, that is 1. Now divide sign convert into multiply, then it will be 1 by minus 3. Okay, students. Now 3 1 ja 3 and 3 3s are 9. So and 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. So answer will be 1 by minus 5, otherwise we can write minus 1 by 5. Both answer are correct. So what we did here, students, we did here 9 by 15 divided by minus 3. So here is minus 3, and 9 by 3 divided by minus 3, divide, convert into multiply, and when we convert divide sign into multiply, then we take the reciprocal of the rational number what given just after the divide sign, that is minus 3 by 1, it becomes 1 by minus 3. Then whatever is possible to cancel, we have cancel it. 3 1s and 3 3s. Same here, 3 1s and 3 5s. Numerator multiply with numerator and denominator multiply with denominator. Then after this divide sign, this subtract sign, we have to convert the upside. Now the both answer is correct, students. If you write in both ways, then you get the correct answer. Okay, students. Now then after we are going to move our question number 2, because the rest part is the same and you can solve by yourself. Now question number 2. In question number 2, they have given evaluate. Evaluate means we have to simplify this one, and the both sign they have given together. That's mean multiply as well as divide also. So I'm going to take its third part, because third part is little bit difficult. So first I'm writing 35 by 18. Which question is it? It is question number 2. Okay, student. Now 35 by 18 multiply minus 9 by 5. Okay, then bracket close and the big bracket also close. The sign between these two is divide, and then after minus 49 by 63 and multiply by minus 18 by 21. Okay, students. So before divide this one, we have to find the product that is given between the two fractions. So first we solve this one. 35 by 18 multiply minus 9 by 5. So is it possible to cancel? Yes. How? 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are 35. This one is our first one. So 7 1s are 7 minus, as it is, 2 1s are 2. So from the first one we get minus 7 by 2. Now then after solve the next part of this one, the next part is given, they have given minus 49 by 63. Then multiply minus 18 by 21. So let's check by which number is it possible to cancel. The first one by 7, because 49 and 21 both are multiple of 7. 7 3s are 21, 7 7s are 49. Okay, and 63 and 18 both are multiple of 9. 9 2s are 18 and 9 7s are 63. Then after we observe this 7 also is possible to cancel. So 7 1s are 7 and 7 1s are 7. Sign is here divide, minus minus plus. So from here we get 2 by 3. Now change this divide sign into multiply. Minus 7 by 3. Then divide, change in multiply. Then the just after, whatever the rational number given just after the divide sign, we take the reciprocal of this one. So 2 by 3 means 3 by 2. And 3 cancel by 3. From here we get the answer minus 7 by 2. That is the solution of this full question. That is a minus 7 by 2. Okay, students. Now let's take its one more part from this one. That is our fifth one. The part 5th that we are going to solve. The same procedure we follow in that part also. The 5th part they have given minus 6 by 25 multiply minus 50 by 24. Okay, student, bracket close. Then divide sign between. The next bracket we are writing 5 by 9. Then multiply minus 81 by 30. Okay, student. Now same procedure we have to follow and we have to solve this one. Minus 6 by 25. multiply minus 50 by 24. Now try to cancel this one. 6 1 ja 6, 6 4 ja 24, 25 1 ja 25, 25 2 ja 50. If we solve this one, minus minus plus, and this also possible to cancel. Observe it here. 2 1 ja 2 and 2 2 ja 4. So 1 multiply with 1, 1 only, minus minus plus. Then 2 1 ja 2. From here we get answer 1 by 2. Now move to the rest part of this equation. This is bounded in the bracket and the sign between divide. So 5 by 9 multiply minus 81 by 30. So 9 1 ja 9, 9 9 ja 81. 5 1 ja 5, 5 6 ja 30. Then after, is it possible to cancel again? Yes. By which number? 3. 3 2 ja 6 and 3 3 is 9. So students, if we solve this one, from here we get same minus and plus, plus minus minus, and here is 2. Solve this divide sign. 1 by 2 multiply 2 by minus 3. 2 cancel by 2, and from here we get the answer 1 by minus 3. Otherwise we can write minus 1 by 3. In both case answer is correct. Okay students, so no need to confuse. In both case answer is correct. So might be you understood this one very clearly. What you have to do, first solve inside the first bracket, then after solve inside the second bracket, and whatever the solution finally you are getting, that you have to solve. And if the divide sign in between, convert the divide sign into multiply, and the rational number what is given just after the divide sign, convert that is reciprocal. Minus 3 by 2, that's mean 2 by minus 3, and then cancel out, and final answer we get. Okay student, now then after the rest two questions they have given in the form of word problem. So the both word problems are the same kind, so we will solve the one part, and the second question that's next part you have to solve by yourself. So the last question for today, that is our word problem. And students, word problems means that they have given that problem in the form of situation, and according to that situation we have to solve. Now question number 3. In question number 3 they have given the product of two numbers. Okay, the product of two numbers is given, and one of them they provide s, and we have to find out the second one. So here we write the product of two number. The product of two number is minus 25 by 81. Okay, then one number they have given to us minus 9 by 35, and we have to find out the second number. So students, when we get this type of the questions, that means they have given the product of 2. So the total product of 2 divide by 1, then we can get easily the second number. So to find the second number, the product of two number divide by the given first number. Okay students, so minus 25 by 81 multiply 35 by minus 9. Student, check it. Is it possible to cancel? Then cancel it. If is it not possible, then numerator multiply with numerator and denominator multiply with denominator. So students, if we observe here 25 and 9, these both are multiple of 9, but numerator cannot be cancelled by numerator and denominator cannot be cancelled by denominator. So students, when you multiply 25 by 35, minus sign cancel with minus sign. So students, if you multiply 25 by 35, we get from here 875, and this one 81 multiply with 9, 9 1 ja 9, 8 9 ja 72. So this answer we get from here. The first number, the second number is this one. Okay, I repeat again this question. In this question they have given the product of two number, and out of one number is given. So the total product divided by the one number, then we get the answer. Same is our question number 4, that you have to try by yourself. For today students, this much only. Thank you.